spicy chicken sandwich and toast.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to the video. We're going to be doing some off-roading today. It's quite the gloomy day, but that might make for some good shots. I'm going to treat this as like a just kind of like practice, I guess, because like I said, I don't really know how to use this camera. I am just using auto, but my buddy Eric that I'm going with, also super sick 4Runner, you guys will see in the video, told me to get this like polarizing lens filter thingy that like makes things look better. I don't know anything, so I was like, yeah, sure, $25 on Amazon, why not? You know what I mean? So hopefully we can get some cool clips, some cool pictures. I know he said he wants to take a couple pictures for this Instagram page. It's about, what time is it? Wolf box mirror, 7:04. Be at his place. He's like 45 from me, like 7:30. Just fueled up. Should be a good day, or at least a good like early day, because I still gotta go home and like do chores and stuff. I don't mind the gloomy, but hopefully it doesn't rain that much, because I don't have a hood for this lens, or either of the lens. I'm on my 16-28 f2.8 right now, and then I have the 24-105 f4.5. But the ISO on this thing goes up high enough that the f4.5 isn't even really a problem. But obviously for in the car, in a tinted car, in the rain with a polarizing filter, I'm gonna use the f2.8, because I bet you it probably looks pretty good right now, and I can't see it, but I'm sure the camera's doing work right now. But anyways, got about 20 minutes to go on the drive, and I will see you guys when I get to Eric's house. We're freaking dialed, boys, alright? I got the freaking... Eric's out here getting me the crispy clips, dude. He's so much better at, like, photography and video than I am, so I can't wait to see the shit that he filmed on my camera, and I'm filming stuff on his camera and taking pictures and stuff. Just 4Runner dudes doing 4Runner shit, alright? That sounds way gayer than it actually is, but first time actually going off-road with this thing, dude. I'm loving it. This is a super sick trail. We're somewhere deep in the woods of fucking New York. And yeah, dude, it's a good time. And I could just kind of vlog like this casually, because 4Runner, dude, you know what I mean? So, about to do a little water crossing, dude. Setting up the tripod. Just getting some shots. Someone's fucking camping out here. Look at this lens, dude. This polarizing lens thing, it like blows my mind. I just turn it, and like the dirt just disappears off my car. That's nuts. For 20 bucks? That's legit. Alright, hot swap to the other lens. Yeah, so that was sick. Little first expedition. Nothing crazy, obviously. Just like wanted to hit the trails and take some pictures and videos and shit. Hope you guys enjoyed this. We're gonna go grab some lunch, and then obviously it's a Sunday, so your boy's got to do his Sunday chores. I gotta catch up to this dude. I'm fucking deep because I was swapping my lens. But look at this. I'm fucking gunning it, dude. Fucking gunning it, dude. Anyways, it's a little loud in here, but yeah, dude. Little Froden, first time Froden the 4Runner. I can't wait. This is one of my buddies. We're gonna be going camping and shit, and he's got a bunch of friends that have all like other Toyotas and cool shit. We got, you know, talks going on and fucking cross country trips and shit. Dude, it's gonna be sick, dude. It's gonna be sick. I have a tent now, so I can't be a poser. I actually have to use it, or I'm fucking gay, dude. So there will be many travel vlogs, hopefully this summer, fall, all that good shit. And I'm really fucking looking forward to it because I didn't get to do any of that last year, unfortunately. But anyways, I should probably off my 4-wheel drive. Just like that, dude. On the fly. Hit the button, dude. Toyota 4Runner. 2002 Toyota 4Runner. Fucking dialed, buddy.